Hi, my name is Sue from Bonaire Coastal Living. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Birds of Paradise napkin to help you set a well-decorated table. What you're first going to do is just take a paper napkin and make sure that the loose ends is at the bottom towards you. What you want to do is fold the napkin in half so it makes a triangle. And then you're going to fold the two end pieces towards the middle. So it looks like this. And what you're going to do is fold these flaps up towards the back. And then you're going to fold it in half again. So now your napkin should look like this. And what you're going to start doing is take these small pieces and very carefully and gently pull them up. And there you have it, a Birds of Paradise paper napkin for a well-decorated table. Thanks for joining me today.